Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to delete a dimmer remote and reprogram it, along with checking continuity on our heaters and voltage readings. So to delete, you'll notice that there are three buttons in the right corner. Starting from the left is a red P1, the second P2, the third being P3. So to delete, we're going to use the center one, the P2. And we're going to press, release, press again, and hold. Are we waiting for that fast intermittent to go away until it turns continuous? Okay, now that is officially deleted. The remote does nothing. So to program, we're then going to use the red button, the P1. What you're going to do is hold it, don't let go. Continue holding it. It'll be continuous, and then press any of the four presets. 100%. It'll go intermittent, letting you know that it's now been paired together. So the first thing we want to do is check our heaters and or elements, make sure we have continuity. On our dimmer, our channels are 6 and 9 for channel 1. And then second channel is 7 and 8. So 6 and 9 showing continuity. 7 and 8 is channel 2, also showing continuity. So I'm going to put this into voltage now, test our line voltage coming in on the far left to ports 1 and 2, showing approximately 238. So with the remote, I'm going to press top on button for 100%. You'll notice that it's ramping up on the LED bar light till it stops at the bottom, so 6 and 9. We'll then have 220, so we'll then channel 2, 7 and 8. Let's say we hit 50% on the remote. You'll notice that light moves, but now our voltage will be about a half that, around 130. And then to turn it off, use the off button on the remote. Simply press and release any button on the remote at all times. Never hold any buttons down. Otherwise, you'll take a chance of corrupting your presets. And that will do it for today. We could be reached at serviceusa@bromic.com or 800-301-1293. Have a good day.